Hey guys, this is Chris, and today we have the FIMI X8 SE 2020 introducing this to my channel, and we have the FIMI X8 SE 2018 just alongside it to show you there is absolutely nothing different between these two. On the outside, there is nothing on the outside you will notice except for the sensor inside the camera. So if you look at the 2020, which you're not going to see, I don't think our lighting's going to be okay for you to tell, but we'll bring it up in there. And then if you look at the 2018, you'll see the 2018 is larger. So that's the only thing you're going to be able to see. Everything else is internally. I'll put a spec sheet up on the screen, and you can do a comparison between the two quads. There's rumor that the back legs have been constructed differently. They're using a different plastic. They're slightly different color. That's false. It's all false. There is absolutely nothing different with these, and I'm going to just tell you my opinion on this. The issue with the back legs cracking, that's strictly a batch issue as far as I'm concerned. You have, injection molding machines out of spec. You're going to get a little thinner plastic in certain areas, so they probably did a certain batch of those while the machine was out of spec. Then these legs are cracking on you. That makes total sense to me. Not sport mode or how you're storing it or anything like that. I've had enough quads to where my legs just don't start cracking because of the way I put it in a bag, or the way I'm flying it in sport mode. That's probably one of the craziest ones I've heard. So I'm going to say that it's just a batch order, all based on production manufacturing equipment that was out of spec. And you probably, anybody that's had that cracked leg, it's probably the case. And your plastic was a little thinner, and it was going to eventually give, and it did. So it develops a crack and then it breaks. So that's my input on that. Only other difference is internal parts. As you saw up on the spec sheet, and the range is an added bonus for that. So basically they've doubled the range, and just like I said from day one when they announced that they were going to have this 2020 and we saw it, I said Xeno versus Xeno Pro, and I've continued saying that, and now that I have them both, it's definitely basically the same thing, having a Xeno and a Xeno Pro, giving you a little more range, changing a little hardware inside. In the Xeno's case, they also added an exhaust fan, so that's all we've got here. It's no big wow factor. If it was, it'd be a bigger price tag. So a pre-order price of $399. After that, probably up about $100. Puts us pretty much where we were with the original FIMI, and it's just a upgraded model, probably to some things they could not address and fix on the 2018. So that's just my little introduction to these on my channel. And what we're going to do, I'll first do a video comparison flight in the same location, same time of day, back-to-back flights, and put those videos side by side because people do want to see those comparisons. I really don't care either way, but people have requested it, so I'm going to put that video out. And of course we'll do range flights and things like that. So FIMI X8 SE 2020, welcome to my channel. Look for more to come on that, and if you're new to my channel, hit that thumbs up button. Most of all, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell for future content notifications, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.